blushers, welcome back. Today's video is so exciting, guys. I can't even contain my excitement. Today's video is sponsored by Disney. Can we just take a quick second? Like, my childhood self is screaming, and also my adult self. Like, I am a huge Disney fan, and today's video is in partnership with the new Disney movie, The Nutcracker in the Four Realms, which comes out November 2nd. And I'm super excited to see this movie when it comes out. The trailer looks amazing. Everything looks so magical. So in my video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different slimes that are inspired by the 4th realm. So there's 4 different realms in this movie. One of them is the land of sweets, the land of flowers, as well as the land of snowflakes. But mine is the 4th realm, so mine is a little bit mysterious, kind of creepy. So I'm going to show you guys how to make 3 different slimes. I'm making a cloud slime, a butter slime, as well as a foam bead slime. So they're all inspired by the 4th realm. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to make. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. This first slime is inspired by Mother Ginger, which is the evil ruler of the 4th realm, and she has fiery red hair and a cracked complexion. So I was inspired by her curly ginger hair, and I wanted to make a slime that went along with that. So I'm just adding in my activator and making a basic slime just for the base of this because we are making a cloud slime. I thought cloud slime would resemble hair better than any other slimes. So then I'm just adding in some orange food coloring to this because of course her hair is like bright orange, so I wanted to embody that. Then I'm just adding in 1 tablespoon of fake snow, and then I'm going to be mixing this for quite a while. It took me probably like 10 minutes just to mix this thoroughly in. So the key to making cloud slime is that you want to keep mixing and mixing. Even when you think you mix enough, just keep mixing it in. So yeah, once I did 1 tablespoon and mixed that all in, I did add in 1 more tablespoon. And then it wasn't orange enough for me, so I did add in quite a bit more of orange food dye and then mix that in. And then just to give it a little bit of pop, I added in some orange glitter. And this is totally optional, but I wanted to add in some orange foam beads, just, you know, why not? I had some orange foam beads, so I wanted to add to the orange theme. And then I scented this with the scent Orangesicle, just to keep with the theme. I wanted it to be very orange and, you know, just to embody her hair color. And I just love this scent. It smells so good. So that was Mother Ginger Cloud Slime. I hope you guys liked that one. And now we're going to move on to the next slime, which is called Abandoned Carousel. And this one is inspired by the 4th realm. The 4th realm used to be known as the land of amusement, and there was an amusement park, and it was so beautiful. Residents used to flock here and go to the amusement park, but soon it became a forgotten fairground with an abandoned carousel. And I'm going to be adding in some cotton candy scent just to go along with the carousel, amusement park kind of theme. So this slime is inspired by the abandoned carousel. So I wanted a bright, fun color, so I picked yellow, but I was also thinking you could do like a pink or blue. It really doesn't matter. But then, yeah, I'm just adding in my activator and making like a jiggly kind of slime. Then I'm just going to be adding in some glitter and some multicolored foam beads. I'm using some large ones and small ones just to give it some variation. And yeah, this just reminds me so much of a carnival. I don't know about you guys. then I found these little shiny, I don't even know what this stuff is, but I just found this in the store. I thought it was really pretty and it just reminded me of a carousel, so I decided to add that in, but it really didn't do much and you can't really see it, so yeah, not really necessary. And when I think of a carousel, I think of like intricate gold detailing, so I used some of these gold leaf sheets. This last slime is called the Fourth Realm, and in the movie, the Fourth Realm is a dark and ominous island suffering with deep battle scars. It was once known as a place of wisdom and entertainment, but is now a dark and mysterious island. So I'm starting off with some clear glue and putting in some orange pigment powder, then I'm going to be activating it and just making a simple clear slime. And then I just let that sit in a jar overnight, and then this is what it looked like the next morning. And I just wanted to add in a little bit of red food coloring just because it was looking a little too orange, because this is actually going to represent lava, so I wanted to make it more of like a reddy orange kind of color. So now we're just going to make a black butter slime to resemble the dark land of the Fourth Realm. So I'm just using 4 ounces of regular school glue, adding in some clear glue as well as some shampoo. So then I'm just mixing that all together, and of course we're gonna add some black food coloring into this. And I didn't realize that it would take a lot of food coloring to make it actually black, so I did add in some black pigment powder and that worked a little bit better. But then we're just gonna activate this and turn it into slime. And then to make this extra fluffy, I'm gonna be adding in some shaving cream and mixing that in. Then I'm just adding in some black clay to make it a true butter slime, and then I just mix it all up, and this made it turn to a complete black color. So now I'm just going to be adding the 2 slimes together so that it looks like the lava is flowing through the dark land. So that is it for my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which slime was your favorite down below. I think my favorite was Mother Ginger. I loved making that cloud slime. It was so fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys will go and see The Nutcracker in the Four Realms. It comes out in theaters November 2nd. And I can't wait to see it myself because I want to know what happens in the Fourth Realm. Like, some crazy stuff is probably going down in there. But yeah, I'm super excited to see it. And yeah, the costumes look amazing. That's my other favorite part of watching movies, is like seeing the costumes. They all look amazing. So I'm just pumped to see this movie. I hope you guys are too. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.